Hello everybody, this is Madonna, and for today I'm excited to share with you on how to grow or plant walking onions. So I am very happy to receive this on the mail. This is an organic Egyptian walking onions, and they look very fresh and really healthy. And this is really perfect for any vegetable or small backyard garden or container gardening if you like to try, because it's a perennial plant. It means that it will come back year after year and will give you unlimited onions if you planted it properly or if you planted it in full sun. But it can also be planted in shade, but I highly recommend to plant them in full sun if you want many harvest. So here, as you can see guys, it's really we get a pretty stem here. So once I already choose a full sun location, I decided to plant it nearby my pak choy, since they're kind of very easy to harvest. So here I just twirled the onions, make sure the roots are really all in there in the hole, and you can plant them like 2 inches, and it is really pretty straightforward, and planting really very easy. And cover it with soil. And there's another way to plant them as well. When you make a hole and then you put the walking onion in there and then water it first, so you're really sure that the roots really soak up the water. Well, it's really get a good amount of moisture before covering them. So give it a good water. So I'm very excited for this Egyptian walking onions. This is my first time trying them, and I really highly recommend it. And I'll let you know more in the future if how it turn out. And I'm excited. And then I'm going to try to plant one in a pot to see how it goes. And that's it. So there you go guys, that's how to plant Egyptian walking onion. This is a really very good vegetable plant for any beginner gardening or gardener, and I'm excited for this. Have you tried walking onion before? Please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you.